Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Winix 5500-2 air purifier. There's two versions of this. There's the 5500, which we have here, and it's a black, which is what they call charcoal gray, and the 5300, which is called gray. I got the black one because it was cheaper, and I got this on Amazon Prime Day. It was a total of $126.33. Not including tax. Taking off all the tape here, it's a 3-filter build. There's a pre-filter, and in this bag we have the charcoal filter as well as their HEPA filter, and it's a branded Winix, so you can get their replacements on Amazon as well. And it's about 15 inches wide, 8.5 inches thick, and 23 inches tall from the tallest point. It does taper down on the back. The power cord is 6 foot long from the base, and on the back there's a top handle which is easy to move the unit around, and it weighs a total of 15 pounds. At the bottom of the unit, it's all plastic. There's no rubber feet to keep it from moving. However, just using it for like the first 3 days, it doesn't really move much, so if you want to add rubber feet, you can stick it on there. Here's a close-up look at the 3 filters. There's the pre-filter where you can just blow it clean or rinse it in water and let it dry. Charcoal filter, you can see they're all hexagonal shape and there's a lot of charcoal pellets in there. This is the Winix branded air filter, which is their own HEPA filter. Who knows how much of it is actually HEPA, H-E-P-A, and how well of a job it does. With all these companies now saying there's HEPA, as long as it's a standard filter that looks like this, it should do an okay job or standard job. Putting the filters back in, it clips in place on the last one with the pre-filter, so it prevents it from falling out. And putting the front cover on, it has 2 magnetic clips at the top. This is just a quick unboxing, and I wanted to show you guys what I got on Amazon Prime Day. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Maybe I'll put up a review of this in the coming months. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.